Hi guys, it's Jeff. Let me show you a couple things about how to take care of the website. So in order to get logged in, you should go to not this big ugly URL, but if you go to the link that I left in the email, it would look like this. So campsecurity.org WP/admin should look just like that, or just click on the link in my email. And then it will probably give you a big ugly thing up here, but pay no attention to that. Go ahead and log in with your usernames and passwords, which I gave you in the email, and then log in. Take a minute to load up, and this is called the dashboard. So in WordPress, this is kind of where you run everything behind the scenes. And for the most part, you only need to worry about a couple of things in the dashboard. Almost everything that's in the website is in over here on the left-hand side in pages. Okay, so if we wanted to, for example, see a list of all the pages in the website, these are in no particular, actually they're in numerical and alphabetical order. You can see all the different pages in the website listed here, and notice that there is another page of these. So if we click, we can go and see the rest of them. There we go. This, of course, doesn't do anything to menus on the site. That is, where these pages show up on menus. But this is a way for you guys to change anything you want to that's actually already in pages in the site. So, in order to keep things from sort of maybe breaking, um, if for now you could stick to just changing things within the pages, that would be good. If you did want to create a new page, you would actually use this button up here, Add New. You could try that if you wanted to, but I would still need to put it into the menu probably for you. Okay, so let me give you an example. Most often, it's probably true that you want to change the front page. Okay, the front page is called Home, and if you see, if I hover over Home here, you can see Edit. So I would click Edit, and this brings up the interface for changing things on the home page. So I think I just recently got rid of the announcement about the open house day or whatever that was called. So right now, this is really all that's on the home page. If you want to see what it looks like uh, actually on the real site, you can go over here to Preview Changes. So if I click Preview Changes, it'll take me to the site on the outside and show me what it looks like. I didn't actually make any changes, but this is just a way to actually preview that. Okay, so back here, this of course is the place where I get to change all kinds of stuff. So within this interface right here, the image, the text, anything here can be copied, pasted, whatever, just like you're in a WordPress document. You can see you have lots of tools up here to change different things. If you want to add a picture or something, I'll show that kind of quickly. That can be a little bit messy sometimes. But if by chance you wanted to add something that was a picture, you would do something like this. So let's say we wanted to put a picture here at the very end. You would go up to Add Media. All of the media in the website you can see is already kind of here for us to use. And you could, of course, use any of these that you want to, or you could upload something here. So you can actually drop your file in here, or you can select it actually from your computer itself. So let's just say that I wanted to add one. Let's just add this one. So I'm going to check it, and then I'm going to go down here to Insert into Page. It'll take a minute and it'll pop up. And this one's kind of a nice size. If I wanted to change what side of the page it was on, I can kind of click through these things to kind of move it around where I want it. And the text can wrap around it if you want to. You can resize it by grabbing the corner if you want to. So there's all kinds of stuff you can do actually by putting in an image. You could obviously change this image too. So that's what you would do. Of course, before you save, any changes you make, you can preview here. And of course, before you close out of this, you want to hit update if you're making changes. I wouldn't mess with the page attributes right here, or the featured image or anything that's actually down below here, because that can change other things in the site. But I hope you can kind of see how you can quickly kind of change things about the site. Now, I didn't actually make any changes, so if I just click on pages again, I can go back to the total list of pages. The new newsletter page, which I'll click over to now, right here, our newsletters, is still very simple. Just a little bit of text, a link to our join us page, and then links to the actual newsletters themselves. If we get edition 4, what you would basically do is you would upload it under add media. So you would upload it here, and then you would select it here, and if you hit insert into page, it actually will put this link right in there for you. So someday when we have 2016 edition 4, it can go right below this. So obviously this page is kind of ugly, so you guys can feel free to pop in some pictures if you want to. You can obviously change any of the pages you want. It's just that if you'd like to make a new page or change something in a menu, feel free to ask me. So I think that kind of gave you a good example of how to play around with the site. So just flip me an email sometime if you need more help with stuff. Otherwise, hopefully that'll help you out. I'll see you later. Bye.